Magnus Sicilian, closed Sicilian defense. e4, c5, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3, with knight c3, white still wants to play d4. e5, Magnus Carlsen has scored very well with this move. Bishop c4, bishop e7, black intends to play knight f6, d3, d6, white kingside castling, knight f6, knight g5, this is the most aggressive line here. Black kingside castling, f4, bishop g4, the point is to gain time on the queen. Queen e1, e for f4, bishop for f4, knight d4, the queen has to move again. Queen d2, queen d7. With a drawish position, this move connects rooks and prepares moves like bishop e6, and b5.